Today's cryptic crossword clue is halfway across Europe, backpacking 500 miles from Nice. And this clue comes to us from one of our members, LCameron, with Liam. They workshopped it together. And when you see the word Nice there, the name of the city, I mean, it's a nice way of giving you a tricky definition because it can just mean the word nice. And when I solved this clue, I thought, probably the definition is nice. But actually, it's kind of the opposite. The definition is miles from nice. In other words, it's a kind of colloquial way of saying you're the opposite of nice. If you're miles from nice, you are not nice. We're going to find a 4-letter answer for that, and we'll get it from the wordplay, which is halfway across Europe, backpacking 500. And whenever you see a number in cryptics, especially a nice big round number like 500, you should look to swap it with its Roman numeral counterpart. And when I solved this clue, I could not remember what the Roman numeral for 500 was. I was sure that was what was going on. We're going to swap this in for one letter. It's the Roman numeral. I couldn't remember. So I got on with the rest of the wordplay and kind of got the answer and then reverse engineered it. But I'll tell you what the Roman numeral for 500 is. It's D. And then we're told that something is backpacking D, which seems like kind of a containing idea. If you're backpacking something, maybe it's in your backpack. You've got it wrapped up by something else. So maybe we take this D and we put it inside 3 other letters, which we could get from halfway across Europe. And halfway across Europe, if you start at the start of Europe and you go halfway across, you do get 3 letters. You get the first 3 letters, E-U-R. And so then you're going, well, if I take E-U-R and I have D backpacking inside it, what do I get? I get edur or yudur. These aren't words. Something else is going on here. And actually what you need to do is just give this a twist, because backpacking is not a containing indicator on its own. Actually, packing is the containing indicator, and back is a reversal indicator. We need to take halfway across Europe, backwards. We flip EUR around, and that is packing 500 RD, giving us the word rude, something that's miles from nice.